Hey, don't forget Kelly's coming to get you. Love you.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Perry County in southeastern Missouri until 6:15 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Mary, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Impacted include Perryville, Longtown, and Lithium. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.